Hello and welcome to learning Microsoft Excel. So in this video we will see how we can effectively use mouse into the Microsoft Excel. So as you can see in the Excel we have number of rows and number of columns. So intersection of row and column is called as a cell. And when you want to zoom this entire sheet, you can simply click on this plus icon, or you can simply click on this minus icon, or you can press the control key and with the help of scroll bar in the mouse zoom up, forward or backward. So you have to press the control key and forward your scroll wheel of the mouse or backward your scroll wheel of the mouse. So we will zoom to certain area. Let's say I am keeping up to 145 or 150%. Now first icon of the cursor with the help of mouse in the Excel is this plus icon. This plus icon indicates the cell. So as we can see, I can click on this cell, so my current cell will be active this. How you can identify what is your current cell? So as you can see, this cell is the intersection of B and 4. So here B and 4 is highlighted so that you can see that current cell is B4, or you can also see your current cell from here. So here it is written B4. If I am clicking here, so as you can see my current cell is changed to the D7 and so on. Now what we can do with the help of mouse into the Excel, the first thing is related to the making current cell. So as you can see, you can simply click on any cell to make it current cell. Now the second way is what? When you currently active any cell and when you move the mouse over the corner, lower right corner of the cell, the plus icon will be displayed like this. Okay, so in order to demonstrate this, let me type only 12 and press enter. You can also follow along with me. You can also type any number and you can simply activate that cell and you can do the click and drag. So that 12 number is copied all the way. Similarly, you can click and drag to the right side. So that 12 number is copied to the columns as well. Now I can click on any other cell, and to delete or to remove all this data, you can simply click on this cell and click and drag to multiple select rows and column. What you can do? You can click on or activate any one of the cell and click and drag to select multiple rows and column, and you can simply press delete key from your keyboard, or you can right click and simply use the delete and simply click on shift cell left, so that one will be deleted. Now instead of number, if I am typing any day, let's say Friday, and now I can select this or making current this cell active, and you can simply click and drag. So as you can see, my days are changing automatically. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. Similarly, you can also click and drag to the right side. So those data are also changing. So as you can see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday and so on. Okay. You can also simply select make current cell only this Friday, and you can click and drag to the right side. As you can see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. Now let me select everything and press the delete key from the keyboard. Now let me type number. So let's say 12 number, enter, and let's say 24 number, enter. So here the interval between the two number is 12, right? So what I can do, I can select these two cell, multiple, I can select this two cell, and then after I can do the click and drag. So as you can see, my numbers are increasing into the interval of 12. Okay. Next, what we can do with the help of mouse, you can simply click on any one of the cell, and when you move the mouse over the corner of the cell, there is an icon of move with a cursor. So you can click and drag, so the cell will be placed at any other location as per your requirement.